Hey y'all, I am just heading down to check my balloon milkweed and see if there's any pods ready so I can show you how to collect the seeds. And even if you don't have balloon milkweed, it's just really cool seeing how to collect these seeds. When they're about ready, they'll start turning brown in color and they'll start to separate. Those ones aren't quite ready yet. See, they'll pop open. Now you can see these are still green, so they're starting to turn brown, but they're not quite ready yet. So I'll just press it closed again and check on it a little bit later. So unfortunately, it doesn't look like any of these are ready, but one day they will, and I'll show you how cool it is to collect seeds from. Okay. The next thing that I have to show you, I guarantee you will be ready. Okay, in here I have not one, not two, but three butterflies. And I think I finally actually do have a female and a male. Eastern black swallowtail. Is this not funny? So now I can really tell the difference. So this one, see, this one's predominantly yellow. So that's the male. And then this one, come here, little girl, is the female. See the blue? Look, who else is in here? A beautiful monarch. I know, I've not been releasing as many. It's a female. Oh my gosh, they're gorgeous. And as you can see, they're ready to go. So we're gonna go release these beauties in my garden. And I'm gonna do it with two hands. It's safer for them, and they're very active. Okay, well, she decided she wasn't gonna fly off right away, so you do get to see her. Oh, and then she flew off. She's like, no, I'm ready to go. Somebody's got the zoomies. Oh my gosh, I love these two. And then this little guy was crawling around in the nursery, and he is big enough to go down into the outside enclosure. So we're going to take him down and move him in. Oh my gosh, he's still running around. Okay, we're going to take him. Where are you going, sir? There you go. take him down. This is a giant swallowtail caterpillar, and their host plant, well, they host on a lot of citrus, but in my yard it's the wild lime. And their adaptation that helps protect them is that they look like a glob of bird poop, but they're not. They're actually quite adorable. I love raising them. One of the things I love about them is that, hang on, let's get in the enclosure, is that they are way more calm, like, than the monarchs. Like, they'll just hang out on their plant and they're like all chill and everything, where the monarchs are constantly eating, constantly. And these guys are just kind of laid back and relaxed. So I'm just gonna unzip the enclosure. So yesterday when I was out here, I noticed that they've really eaten down these two wild limes, and my big wild lime needed a trim. So I put a bunch of cuttings in water and brought them in here for them. Look at him, he's trying to go on there. No, sir, you want to go over here. There. Yes, there you go. And look at this, there's a spice bush out. It looks like it's sunning itself. See how it has its little head up? So cute. Oh my gosh, a little steam engine. Listen to him. Hey, sir, go get a drink. I have 2 water bowls out here for them that I keep full constantly because Frenchies can dehydrate really quickly. Let's see who else is in here. Oh, look, there's a green guy. I should be getting another orange one soon. Oh, speaking of that, look at the chrysalis. And I'm going to move that inside. Let me get in the sunlight so you can see how gorgeous it is. A little spectacular piece of artwork created by nature. Let me see this. Some of the leaves, you can just tell they look heavy the way they're hanging. Let's see who's in there. And there's nobody in there. Oh, look right here. Look. We almost missed you. Well, you all probably saw this one in the background. I'm so bad when filming. I don't see everything. And then I'll be editing and I'll be like, oh my gosh, that was right there the whole time. And I didn't even say anything about it. Look how cute you are. Oh my gosh, I love you. Yes, this one will probably be orange soon. Somebody here. This one is probably this guy's little home. It's so cute, like when you see them crawling around. They move really fast, like really fast. So you don't really see them out, like this guy. You don't really see them out that often. Like they'll come out, they'll eat real quick, and then they go back into their little home. Oh wait, here's another one. Here's another one. There we go. Oh, look how cute. You must hear me say that like 200 times a video. Oh, look how cute. But they are. I mean, look. Okay. Okay. Yes, we'll give you some cute attention too. Although some people don't think you're as cute as I do, but I think you're cute. Let's see, you want to show a little osmeterium for everybody? Come on, you can get sassy. No. Say, no, I'm not going to do that because I know who you are. Okay. Oh, and look over here in the monarch and Gulf fritillary and zebra longwing enclosure. This is a new chrysalis. This one just formed yesterday. But you can kind of really see it's, let me put my hand behind it so it'll focus. You can really see its little glimmer spots. Look at it moving. I pulled the leaf down here. You see it? So it can be in the sun so you can see a glimmer. And it's not happy. Okay, I'm sorry. I am sorry. I'll leave you alone. There you go. Oh my gosh, and look who's right there. Hello there. You're big. You know, it's cute when I find like little monarchs. I'll just come and put them in here, and then before you know it, there's somebody like that in here. Oh, look, here's another one. Yeah, I have more monarchs than I thought. Yay. Okay, y'all. This is a female. Look at all that blue, right? Just beautiful perfection. She just declosed, so she's not quite ready to go fly yet. But I thought I'd pop in and let you see her. She's gorgeous. Hey y'all. Dogs under my feet. Good morning. It is Thursday, and I am getting ready to prepare a load of plants to deliver to the nursery. And I want to show you something I'm doing so that you'll know if you go and shop at the nursery that the plants are from Butterfly Gardening Inspirations, the nursery. And this time, not only am I taking pentas, but I've got some twine vine, which is a host for monarch caterpillars. It is a milkweed vine. It's, oh gosh, here I go again. It's Sarcostemma something. Hopefully I'll remember to let you know what it is. But twine vine, I've got just 6 of them for now. We're going to see how they do. So to know that you are getting one of my little plants at the nursery, look for my little fashionable craft stick that's got my stamp on it. And I'm going to put one of these in each of the plants. Hey y'all, I just got home from the nursery and it's starting to rain right now. And I literally sold my pentas out of the back of the truck. When I pulled in, there were customers waiting for my pentas. I think the nursery ended up with 5 left to sell on their lot. They didn't even make it in there. So anyway, I'm getting ready to go propagate some more. And look at this. Look, it's behind me. It's all dark. But if I turn around here, it's all blue Florida sky. That's Florida. Hey, y'all, you can hear the rain is coming down, but I want to show you this. Remember, oh gosh, a few videos ago, I saw a queen lay an egg and I brought the plant in. Well, there's the little caterpillar.